Hey guys, welcome back to Room 16. I am your host Javon, and today we're back with a brand new Tales of Arise video. Again, crazy. I am really milking this franchise for some reason. So I've been getting some comments from you guys asking how to get the PS4 controller to show up on the game instead of the Xbox controls, and here we are. So I'll leave a link in the description below for you to simply download the PlayStation button prompts. You're simply gonna copy this pack file. Very simple stuff. You're gonna find wherever you put your Tales of Arise folder. For me, it's in my F drive. Go to Arise, Content, Packs, and you'll simply paste the information in here. With that, and you're done, basically. And with that, I already had Tales of Arise launched, and as you can see, it's showing me PlayStation controls now. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed that. Pretty short, sweet, and to the point. Once again, don't forget to smash that like button if you enjoy this type of content, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.